Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will be learning how to use the analysis tool. So, this is the data that I took by just giving the device a quick push in the Y direction. So I've already unchecked the boxes for the X and Z component of acceleration, and I'm only looking at the Y component. Now if we go into analysis mode, which is this button that looks like a bar graph, you can see that by using your cursor, you can find specific values of both time and of what the value is. So for example, this gives you time, and it also gives you the Y component of acceleration. If I had both of these checked, it would give you all three of those. But again, we're just going to focus on the Y component. And it does the same for the force. So you can see that the acceleration and the force peak at the same time, which we would expect, but you'll be getting to know that a little bit more in the force and acceleration lab. For now, we're going to look at what we can do with the analysis mode. So if I wanted to just highlight a section, I'm just going to highlight this, and so now these numbers here are going to correspond to the highlighted section. So it gives you the time difference between the beginning and the end of that highlighted section. It will also give you mu, which is the mean value of this section, which in this case would actually be important because it's a straight line. If the value is changing over this time period, then the mean doesn't necessarily tell you a lot about that section. But it also gives you the sigma of that section, so it's the sigma of the mean. This A corresponds to the area under the curve, and this S corresponds to the slope. So you can see here that it's pretty close to 0. You'll find, though, that as you go through the different labs, these are going to be extremely important and helpful in your analysis. So I hope that helps, and good luck.